Today we start discussion on closed system work because our system is closed, so that in closed system mass is also fixed. In closed system, because system is closed, so that mass is automatically fixed and mass also have energy. So that it is our closed system or fixed mass energy analysis. Now, today we talk about how area under the curve on PV diagram is equal to bulk. Now, you know very well that this is, suppose this is our first position, this is our second position, and bulk is equal to force into displacement. Now, suppose this is a piston, our first position of our piston. Now, it will be final position. Suppose some intermediate, we suppose some intermediate position. Suppose this is some position after displacement of dx, the piston goes here. Now, suppose this is dx displacement. It is differential. I show you this with the help of microscopic, or we can say it is microscopic view. Now we talk about del I, right, because bulk is in exact differential. Now force is equal to, suppose P is pressure inside the piston, A is the area. Suppose P is the pressure, A is the area of the piston. Now our displacement is dx. Now I can also write P dV, and this dV will be equal to swept volume. Volume swept by the piston. Now this will be equal to del W. I can also write P dV. Now if I talk about in PV diagram, because this is microscopic view, suppose this is, I show this position, suppose our piston is here. Now after displacement dx, piston will be here. Now the change in the volume will be dV. Now I can also write this area under the curve on PV diagram, dA is equal to, because pressure will be equal, because this is microscopic view, this is negligible change. I show you with the help of microscope, so that it is microscopic view. Now this area will be equal to PdV, because now you can see from here, because bulk and area will be equal, or area are equal, so that we can also write del W is equal to D. Now hence proved that area under the curve on PV diagram is equal to bulk. If I talk about, because if we take some another case, or a case, then suppose this is curve A and this is curve B. Now because area under both the curve are not equal, in area under the curve A is this, and area under the curve B is this, because both the areas are not equal under the curve, so that dA1, suppose I take, and D, or suppose I write dAA, dAB, which is not equal, so that bulk will also not be equal. Now from you here you can easily see that area under the curve show us bulk. In this case both the area are not equal, so that work done in both the cases will not be equal. So this is about closed system work or fixed mass energy analysis. Now in my next lecture I describe you work done in various processes. Thank you.